In this video, we'll learn how to install, update, and remove software on Ubuntu using the Snap Package Manager. If you don't know what Snap is, it's a package manager developed by Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu. Since Ubuntu is a Debian-based distribution, it already uses apt as its default package manager. The idea behind Snap was to create a universal package manager that works across all Linux distributions. But it hasn't been widely adopted by other distros. That said, it doesn't really matter, because Ubuntu uses it by default. And if you're using Ubuntu, it's important to be familiar with how Snap works. Let's start by listing the installed Snap packages. The command for that is snap list. So these are the packages already installed on this computer. But remember, these are only the Snap packages. There are many more packages on your system installed by the apt package manager, which you can see using the apt list ---- installed command. If we count the packages, there are about 1,600 Debian packages and only 10 Snap packages installed on this computer. The command to find packages is snap find. Here I'm going to search for the VLC media player using the find command. This is the package that provides the VLC media player. The checkmark next to the publisher means it's a verified publisher. If you want more information about a package, use the snap info command followed by the package name. The channels section shows different versions of the package you can install, along with the package size. By default, the latest stable version will be installed. However, if you want, there are other versions available that may be newer than the default one. Now let's install the VLC player. The command is snap install. By default, it installs the latest stable version. But you can, for example, install the beta version using the ---- beta option. Here I'm going to install the stable version. The command to uninstall packages is snap remove, but by default it will keep the data and configuration. If you want to completely remove a Snap package, including all of its user data, add the ---- purge option to the snap remove command. You can see available Snap updates by running the command snap refresh ---- list. Then if you want to update all packages, run the snap refresh without any option or update specific package by specifying the package name. The snap command comes with a built-in help system. If you type snap ---- help, it will show you a list of all available subcommands. You can also get help for a specific command by adding help after it. There's still no clear answer on which package manager you should use. However, most Linux users still prefer the apt package manager. For Ubuntu server, it's best to use apt because Debian packages are generally more stable and faster. On Ubuntu desktop, Snap is a good choice since it often provides the latest versions of software. Another thing to keep in mind is that Snap packages usually take up more disk space than apt packages. Also, when you install software through the Ubuntu Desktop App Center, it uses Snap packages by default. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial on the Snap Package Manager. In the next video, we'll cover the apt package manager, which is the default package manager for all Debian-based Linux distributions.